Hi guys, Rahul here with mysmartprice.com, and as you can see I have the Zenfone Selfie from Asus here with me for review. Today though I will be unboxing this device, and this will be followed up with a detailed review that we expect to put up in the weeks to come. So the Zenfone Selfie, as the name suggests, is a selfie centric phone. So it has a very good front camera which is rated at 13 megapixels. The rear camera is also 13 megapixels. Apart from that, the phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 615 chip. So it's rated at 1.7 gigahertz. The phone comes in two variants. This is the 32 GB variant, which is priced at rupees 17,999. We also have a 16 GB variant which is priced at 15,999. Both are available through Flipkart, and both these versions have expandable memory capacity, so you can add micro SD cards to expand the memory further. Other features include the support for 4G networks. LTE Indian bands are supported. We also have Bluetooth 4.0 and the other bells and whistles that you expect from a mid-range phone. So without further delay, let us go ahead and unbox this device right away. We have the phone placed right on the top. As you can see, this is a bluish colored phone. Let us check out what else we have in the box apart from the phone. This is a warranty card, the user guide, and the other documentation that we get. Next up, we have the charging adapter here. This is a huge Asus branded charger. Let me just confirm the rating on this charger. It's rated at 2 ampere, and apart from that we have the charging cable. So that's it. This phone does not come with a pair of earphones or headsets. Let us check out the phone now. It's come in a plastic wrapping, so I'll just remove it. This is what the phone looks like. As you can see, it's very solidly built. I like the build quality of the phone. The finishing on the back is great. It's nice to touch. So let us go ahead and check out the physical aspects of the phone. So the main highlight of the phone is of course the front 13 megapixel selfie camera. So we also have a flash here, so you can take selfies in low light. It also supports selfie panorama mode, which is very interesting. This seems to be the sensor. At the bottom we have the capacitive buttons here, the home button, the multitasking key, and the back button. The display is a full HD 5.5 inch IPS panel. And moving on to the sides, we have nothing here except for a wedge here, and on this side too it's completely empty. At the bottom we have the micro USB port and the primary microphone. And at the top we have the power button here, and this is a 3.5 mm audio jack, and this is a secondary microphone. Moving on to the back, we have the 13 megapixel rear camera, the LED flash here, and this is the laser autofocus. So this phone comes with laser autofocus. So this is the laser for the autofocus. The volume rocker keys, like other Asus phones, have been moved to the back. So this is where you control the volumes. We have a big Asus logo here at the back, and we also have the speaker grills over here. I'll just open up the back panel to show you what we have inside. Inside we have the battery here. Okay, this is a removable battery, which is great. So we have the battery here. So this is rated at, let me just confirm. So this is a 3000 mAh battery which we have at the back. Upon removing the battery, we have the SIM card one slot here, and the micro SD card goes above that. So there are two slots here, the SIM card 1 and the micro SD card slot here, and we also have the SIM 2 slot here. Both the SIM cards, like I already mentioned, support 4G networks. I'll put the cover back on, and let us power on the device. So this is an interesting offer. Google Drive offers 100 GB of free Google Drive storage with this phone. So if you wish to redeem this offer, you can click here to redeem it. I'm skipping it for now. This is the ASUS user agreement. So this also supports data transfer from older devices. In case you have data on your old phone, you can transfer all the data from that phone to the new Zenfone Selfie. I'm skipping this right now. So we are on the home screen. So this is the home screen. So as you already see here, all the apps are placed on one home screen. We have multiple folders here with different types of apps included in that. So the photography apps go in one folder. The personalization app have a folder for themselves. The tools come in one folder, and a couple of other applications come pre-installed. Let us go ahead and check out the settings menu now. So this is the settings menu, and let us check out the Android version. So we have the Android version mentioned here. It's Android 5.0.2. It is running Lollipop. Now we will go ahead and check out the storage capacity. So like I said, this is the 32 GB variant of the phone. We have 25.02 GB of space available. So let me go ahead and check out the camera application, which is of course the highlight of this phone. Photography menu, we have the camera application. So this is the tutorial that I'll just start the tutorial. So as you can see, it can take 140-degree wide angle selfies, and there is the low light option here. So the ASUS calls it the owl button to enhance the ambient light. So in dark environments, you can take a selfie using the front camera, and this front flash lights up. And this is of course the focusing, the touch focus being displayed here. This is the geotagging option, so I'll switch it off now. Let me just run you through the camera menu. We have options for white balance, ISO, exposure value. The resolution is at default at 10 megapixels in a wide angle format. The maximum is 13 megapixel in 4:3. Other resolutions, as you can see here, goes down to 2 megapixels. Anti-shake enhancement is off by default. The image quality can be toggled between fine and standard. The timestamp can be switched off and on. It's off by default. Touch shutter is off. We have the selfie timer up to 10 seconds. We have a burst mode as well. There's a turbo mode, the fast mode, a slow, and it's completely off. The focus mode is continuous autofocus, infinity, and smart autofocus. Face detection is on. In video, we have the white balance control here, exposure value. Video quality is full HD, and 480p. The smart brightness is on, guidelines are off by default, info is on, review duration is off. You can review your photos for up to 5 seconds. Shutter animation is on. The camera sound is also on by default. Power saving mode can be kept from 1 minute to up to 5 minutes. This is the flash toggle here. Let me just check out other menu options here. So these are the various shooting modes. We have auto, manual, HDR, the beauty mode, super resolution, low light, a whole bunch of options, as you can see here. We also have the manual mode, which is quite interesting. And let us check out the front camera now. So this is what the front camera looks like. So this is how it takes the selfie. So that was the camera. We will of course be taking a detailed look at the camera and the other aspects of the phone in the days to come. So that was the unboxing of the ASUS Zenfone Selfie. In case you have any queries and questions regarding this device, please do let us know in the comment section below. Like I already mentioned, this phone comes in two variants, the 32 GB and 16 GB variants. This is the 32 GB variant, priced at 17,999. The 16 GB variant is priced at 15,999. and both the phones are available on Flipkart right now. So that was the unboxing of the Zenfone Selfie 2. This is Rahul Srinivas signing off for mysmartprice.com.